All right, it's at 12.18 volts. Let's see if the with the microwave, 1,000 watts max. Heat a little bit of water. Let's give it a test. This is 1,800 watts. Suck the power down a bit. 12.54 volts. Powering it. I don't know why it's at 1,800 watts. It says 172. The indicator went down significantly. We're only pulling 10.4 volts, 10.39. Oh, let's pop back up because the microwave's done. Back to 17 watts. Now the Kodiak fan just kicked on. Now it's using 22 watts. Let's try it again. $159 watts, 2,000 watts, 1,800 watts. Microwave's on another minute, half. .44 volts. $1,700 watts, supposedly. $21 watts. Both fans appear to be running. Feel air on both sides. Now let's go ahead and see if the water got super hot. It is super hot. It's at 2 minutes. That's normally twice as long as I normally do it, so that's pretty hot. I don't know if y'all can see that steam, but it's hot. Eek. 187 degrees. 187 degrees. It's hot. Alright, Kodiak went back up to almost a full power, 1 bar less. Sitting at 11.8 volts. Just noticed that the fan still runs after it's powered off sometimes. Maybe to cool itself. The fan's still running. I just unconnected the microwave, and you can hear the fan running. Both fans, apparently. Let's see how long it takes for it to shut itself off.